look at this right here. LED grill lights for your car. And I'm telling you what, just look at the quality. Look how thick this is. And the housing. Guys, I've had a lot of products from this company, and I'm just still blown away by their build quality and just the material they use. These LED strips are absolutely heavy duty, going to withstand the day-to-day use. Comes with clips and zip ties, so then that way you can zip tie it, or the sticky adhesive right here will stick and will last. And so guys, absolutely great. So this is just one stripe, comes with two that goes into a cigarette outlet, so then that way again you can hit the on and off button, and then the top button you just click it, and so many different light patterns come up. And so we got the red and white lights, and you can just see how bright that they are, and you can have so many different light patterns. It is crazy. And so again, these are fantastic for the grill of your car, your truck, whatever vehicle that you need these LED strips on. Boom, get this brand without a question, because the build quality, they're going to last, and you have so many light up options. It's absolutely crazy. So again, I would definitely get these today.